pollinators in Iowa City. What is our problem? So the population of pollinators is slowly declining, and we have to try and help raise the population back up because pollinators, they provide food for animals, they take care of our plants, they help us spread the seeds. Yeah. What is causing the population decline? There's been a lot of habitat loss of pollinators, a lot of invasive species and overtaking of pollinators. There's a lot of scarcity of food and plants for pollinators, and pesticides and other common chemicals. In this day and age, we really can't do anything about that. There's been a lot of unsafe conditions for pollinators and global warming and seasons for evolution. Why is this a problem? About 70% of Iowa is covered with prairies, grasslands, wetlands, and forests. These areas are liked by pollinators and are ideal for ones, and since the population is declining, the quality of these grasslands and prairies has been lowered. Pollinators would also affect meat production and the production of dairy products because the animals that are giving us this meat are they don't have enough food because of the decline of pollinators, and so that would like negatively affect human nutrition. So our solution, the solution that we plan on using is to benefit the pollinators in the population, is to plant more native plants and trees. For example, like willow oak trees, sunflowers, lavender, stuff like that. And we would plan to place them where they're needed and where they fit best. We chose this solution because the native flowers, they provide nectar for pollinators, which is really crucial for them to live longer and stuff like that. And the native trees, they also provide beneficial things for pollinators, but they also provide shelter for them. So there would be a lot less other like species trying to overtake them and kill them. How we will get this done and who we will work with. So we plan on planting these seeds with the help of the Iowa City Parks and Recreation Department. We have contacted them and they did let us know that they've been using a solution similar to ours. And like in the last 5 years, they've planted native trees and plants in like 200 acres. And we want to work with them because they obviously know a lot about the areas and what places need planting. Who will benefit? Gardeners will benefit because with more pollinators, they improve the plant quality. Animals, because they will get more food. Farmers, because pollinators improve crop growth. And honey farmers, because more bees, be able to make more honey. And park owners, because with more pollen in the flowers, the look of it is better. Our customer discovery, we found out that 85% of people that we interviewed, which is 35 to 40, thought it was a problem, and 15% of people either thought it wasn't a problem or they just didn't know enough about it and it didn't affect them. What are our next steps? So we plan to take action and work together with our key partners to find out which areas in and around parks like Willow Creek, Kiwanis, other environments in the city that need support. If needed, we would have to get permission from the owner, but with the help of the Parks and Recreation, I don't think we can do that. We would have to find out what type of seeds and what type of help an area needs, and then start implementing the basic needs to improve the quality of the life of the bees and improve the aesthetic of the nearby area. So here are some resources that we need. We calculated these prices just because we really didn't know what exact amounts to choose. So we just decided to try and get the best amount of seeds for the best price. And the sunflower seeds, $17 for 13,000 seeds. Lavender seeds, $70 for 1,400. Milkweed seeds, $120 for 10,000, and coneflower seeds, $120 for 10,000. And so the cost would be around $800 per piece. And then here's our prototype. Just a flyer, and we plan on just putting these in mailboxes,